Let's go.
Hello, Shanang! 60 ka na pala. Okay, kantahan na lang kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shanang. Wish you all the best, Shanang, and stay healthy and beautiful always. At napakaswerte mo at may isa kang anak na maganda at isang gwapong anak at lalong-lalo na isang mabait na asawa. Again, God bless you and wish you all the best again. I love you. Wang, wang, wang. Hello there, everybody. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sis
Happy
Evelyn.
birthday, Sis Evelyn. Dad, we wish you good health, long life, happiness syempre. And hope to see you soon. We
Happy
love you,
birthday.
we love you.
Bye.
Happiest birthday, Ate Evelyn. Thank you for being the kikay in my life. I will never be the chechay I am now without you and your guidance. Thank you so much, and I would just wish you good health and more travels with you, more coffee night cups, and I only wish the best for you and your family. Alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal and how dear you are to me. I love you.
Hello, ate. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Love you, love you.
Tanti auguri di buon compleanno e auguri in questo giorno speciale. I love you, ate.
Happy birthday, Ate Evelyn.
Happy birthday, Ate Evelyn. Happy birthday.
You're a blessing to BFF neighbors. And sana wag kang magsasawang i-accommodate kami sa maganda mong bahay. Very comfy house. And sa pagluluto mo para sa amin.
We appreciate your being warm to Yuri. And hopefully, maging well-bonded pa yung ating pagkasama sa BFF. And wishing you a healthier life, more success on your married life with Kuya Sir Randy, and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung ating escapades. How bars?
And you're like an ate to me. May you have a happy days ahead of you. Thank you so much. And once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Evelyn.
Bye.
Hello, good morning, Randy and Evelyn.
Hi.
Good morning, nagkakape kami. Oh, balita ko may magbe-birthday dyan. Happy birthday, Evelyn.
Happy birthday to
Halika, kape tayo. Happy birthday. Already na yung senior card mo. Okay lang tayo mag-Manila Hotel. Good morning uli. Sige, mag-Manila Hotel tayo. I-schedule na yan. Yun na lang treat namin sa inyo. Sa iyo pala, Evelyn. Again. Sa iyo lang daw. Hindi kasama si Randy at mga bata. Joke lang. Again, happy birthday. Oh, Marlene, okay. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, sis.
Hi, Sis Evelyn.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day, your special day. Happy birthday.
61 ba? Tama ba? Anyways, happy birthday. See you.
Di naman halata.
See you Friday.
Okay. God bless you.
More
Enjoy your
blessing.
special day. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Ate Ebs. It's your special day today. It's your 60th birthday. Wishing you all the best.
good health, long life, and may God grant your heart desire. Auguri, Timolo Bene.
Happy birthday, Mare!
Evelyn, happy birthday.
Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay. Love you, Mare. Mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yun. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you talaga.
Happy birthday, Evelyn.